welcome back to Side Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 23rd to the 27th of June 2025 on Monday. Figure doesn't know how to get Jack out of his funk. Meloguhle feels bad about spying on a friend. Lucy is devastated about what Namhla did on Tuesday. Spare is cut deeply by her father's cruel words. Mpho comes through for his desperate friend. Samgelo lets his ego get the better of him on Wednesday. Pele and his commander are forced to make a deal. Dao refuses to cut ties to cut his protege some slack. What is Kumo's mysterious phone call about on Thursday? Things aren't going well at the Mabaso house. Ayanda doesn't like Zondiwe being one up on her. In a moment of panic, Kia admits all on Friday. Jake bears his soul like never before. Will a woman finally have to pay for the crime she once committed? Lucy decides to be the bigger person for once. Well, guys, that's all I have for today.